So this is what I'll be working with. Alright, let's start this long process. Good morning, guys. I'm Michelle. Welcome to our channel, Shantaya Mat. Nelson is off doing guy stuff. Like I said, welcome to our channel, Shantaya Mat, guys. If you're new to our channel, we welcome you with open arms. Thank you so much for coming by. If you're returning, welcome back, fam. It's a big old virtual hug for you. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it, guys. So it is about that time, I'm about to put my braids in my hair, and I've already washed it, shampooed it, excuse me, conditioned it, and moisturized it. And I put a ton of leave-in it, leave-in conditioner. So I am going to braid it, which is a long process, but hopefully it won't be too long because I'm going to do the bigger braids this time. Yeah, and it will be the gray braids, so I'm not going to show start to finish. I'll show the before and I'll show the after. So we're about to take a little road trip, and I'm going to visit my sissy. And she lives on a farm, guys, and I love farms. I do. So, and they're not really social media people, so I probably won't get a lot of footage, but hopefully they'll let me get videos of their animals. All right, guys, so this is the before, and I'll be back with the after. Ta-ta for now, guys. Bye. All right, guys, so this is the beginning stages, right before the braids. Alrighty, guys, so I have the first 3 in. It's not professional or anything like that, but I am not a professional. So, and this is the size that I want. So, hopefully it don't take that much longer, but I'm pretty satisfied with it. Alrighty. So, I finally finished, guys. Yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with it. I probably will do the top over again, though, because it's so much space up there. Well, not space, but they're so big that that's going to frizz up in a couple of days. So I'll probably do that part over again a little bit smaller. But this is it. One side, that side, all to the front, all to the back. All right, she is tired. Ta-ta for now. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.